Hi guys, Joe here. It's actually not raining for 5 minutes. The sun's actually out. I was able to hang some laundry out. It's a good day. I am a little bit sick, which you can hear my voice. Hopefully I'm getting past it now. Thanks to everybody who watched my last video, which was about the Bearskin 3-in-1. If you haven't seen it, just go back and have a look at that one. It's a really good coat for bad weather. I just want to throw that out there. This bag here is a new bag, well, new to me. I never owned any of their products before. I bought this secondhand. So this is the Savotta Jaakari Large. If I had the choice, I probably would have bought the medium. That would have been a better size for me. But this was in a trade group, secondhand. It's the large, and it was like half the price of buying it new. And I would never be able to afford it new anyway, because they are quite expensive packs, but they are bomb-proof. So on the front here, you have the polymath glow-in-the-dark pouch. That's going to glow for hours when I bring it inside. First aid kit and my tarp. I'll go through this bag in a separate video. I'm just showing this to you here because it's outside. I did buy the 6-liter pouch and the 4-liter pouch on the other side here. I didn't need it because if you could tell, the hood, I still have plenty of room in here. I got the side pouches only because everything inside, stuff I actually use, and the stuff that I use less of, I just wanted it out of the way into side pouches. And then everything else I can get too easy. Like this pouch here, that's just my tarp. I left it in the outside because if I pack it away wet, it has a little mesh bottom here so it can drip out or not drip in the bag, so everything stays dry. Just my idea behind it. But the main reason I wanted to show you this bag, like I said, I'll do a full review another time. I just want to do something a bit easy as I'm not feeling well. So on this bag here, you have a lower way of getting into it. So in all my wisdom, what I did was I put my cook kit down here, because that would be one of the things I would do when I get to camp, besides putting the hammock up, which is on the side pouch, the tarp if I needed it. It'll be food. So I put this here so that I wouldn't have to dig everything out of the bag because this is quite big. This is like the heaviest item in my bag as well. If I was going to go lighter, I would have to change my cook system. But I have shown this in another video. I just wanted to show you something, because in the other video I had issues with the stove. It took me like over 20 minutes to boil water, and everybody said it was because of the stove I used. So I wanted to just have use of the stove that I swapped in and just double check that everything works before I actually go to the woods and use it. So yeah, so I figured if I put this on the bottom, I could just take it out and that's done. And all I have to do is zip this back up. There is a compartment in here that separates the two, so if you want to put a sleep system on the bottom, but I just wrapped that around the cook set so I can just pull it out. So that's just my York knife. So everything's going to tip out now, so I'm just going to zip this up. I have a lot of strap tidies on here because I hate having straps that dangle off. I'm going to do the waist belt ones as well. So yeah, so I just want to use the cook kit, which is here, and boil some water up for some lunch. Again, like I said, I showed this before. Just look at the other video if you want to go in depth. So that's my kitchen. I got two sorts of lids here, one for each container. I put the cook set into a dry bag only because in case I put it back, it's so full of soot that doesn't get my bag dirty. There. And the only things left in here are coffee teas and some cleaning wipes. That's the stove, and that's coffees and sugars and stuff. Cleaning. Some sugar I got loose. Right. Right, so Oh, there's a mess everywhere in there. That's why I wrap everything up. This one leaked everywhere. So that's a pain in the ass. So I'll do this. I'm gonna empty this out over there, and then I thought I swapped this out already, which is a good reason to go through your kit. So I'll find the other stove and swap this one back in. But I gotta clear out this mess stuff now. But again, this is what you do. You look through your stuff. All right. So I just tipped in the meth from that stove into this stove. It's probably more than I need, but it is what it is. So I'm not going to boil much water. That's all set up. I'm just going to do a glass because I'm not going to need much. The last time I had too much in it. Right. Alright, and then I could do that on that, or I actually have the lid, but that'll be fine for now. It's only a demo. You know what, I'll even time it, and then I have an idea if it's the stove or the cook set. Sorry for the sniffling, I can't help that. I'm just trying to breathe. Alright, just started the stopwatch, so we'll see how long it takes to boil. If you want any information on my kits or anything you see me use, just let me know and I'll do a video on it. I like doing videos, keeps me sane. It's a nice hobby, way of chatting to people and whatnot. Yeah, so I'll wait for this to boil and I'll let you know the time on it. I got this cool windshield from Polymath Products. It came with their Phantom stove. I'm just gonna put it here just to stop the wind and hopefully speed this up a little bit. But yeah, I just thought it'd be useful. I have it, might as well use it. Alright, so I can hear it. Just a quick look. Yeah, got bubbles already. And we're at the 8-minute, 12-minute mark. To be honest, that's I could use that now. But we'll get a proper rolling boil. Got a few Polymath products to re-show you guys that I was using. What else? I got another flashlight video coming up because that your flamp one, that was really good. That's in my bag, in my hood. I'm going to use that one out because it's compact. But what I like about that one especially is that I can loosen the tail cap and I know that won't go off in my bag and won't kill the battery. So I like that. This is really hot now. Whew. Alright, just having a little look quick. Yeah. Alright, so that's proper boiling as you can see, and that's 9 minutes and 12 seconds. So I'll stop that now. So it was that Pathfinder cooker that was the issue. So at least I know I can cook off this one and everything will be alright. So I'll have lunch now. But just a update video, show you some gear, some ideas and stuff. Let me know what you think in the comment section, guys, and I'll put more links in the description box below, okay? Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next video. Bye.